Good morning, students. Today, revision lesson number 6, healthy and hygienic detail. First detail, write about any 3 communicable disease in detail. Communicable disease are those that spread from one person to another. Disease spread through contaminated air, water, food or vectors are called as communicable diseases. Okay, so next types. Tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It spread from one person to another person through air by spitting and prolonged contact with the sharing material of the patient. Symptoms: fever, weight loss, chronic cough, blood spitting and difficult in breathing. Prevention and treatment: getting BCG vaccination, giving special attention to the patient, regular medication like DOT. Cholera. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholera. It spread through the consumption contaminated food or water. Symptoms. The symptoms of cholera is vomiting, severe diarrhea and cramps in legs. Hepatitis. Hepatitis is one of the most dangerous and fatal disease caused by hepatitis. Hepatitis virus A, B, C, D, E. Its mode of transmission are contaminated water, sharing of needles and blood transfusion. Symptoms: loss of appetite, vomiting, hives and urine in yellow color. Prevention and treatment: drink boiled water, proper cleaning of hands. Now second question, list the situation in which first aid is given. What could you do if a person suffering from the skin burns? The tissues damage caused by heat, chemical, electricity, sunlight or nuclear radiation is known as burns. Mostly burns are caused by scald, buildings fire, flaming liquid and gases. According to burning, there are 3 types of burns. First degree burns affect only the outer layer of the skin. Second degree burns damage the epidermis and the layer beneath it's called the dermis. Third degree burns involve damage or complete destruction of the skin to its full depth and damage to underlying tissues also. People who experience such burns often require skin grafting. First aid for burning. In case of minor burns, the affected area should be washed with cold water and an antiseptic cream should be applied in case of severe burns. Where deeper layer of tissues get destroyed and blister appear, use of the water should be avoided. The burnt area should be covered with a clean non-sticking cloth or bandages. Larger burns needed immediately medical attention. It is very important to keep your fire extinguisher readily available. Third one, how the disease are transmitted from one person to other person. Communicable diseases are those that spread from one person to another. Diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food or vector are called as communicable diseases. First one, the communicable diseases are caused by disease-caused microbes such as bacteria, virus, etc. These microbes are found in contaminated food, water, air, etc. Some of them, like the material, some of them, like the malaria parasite, complete their life cycle in the body of a mosquito. Thus, air, food and water, sweat act as modes of transmitting these microbes from an infected person to a healthy person. Example, the cycle given below show how food and water-borne disease are transmitted. You see that diagram. The 3 questions very important coming to the exam. Please be thorough with. Thank you, children.